start. At the initial stage of trial, the illegality of investigation is brought to the notice of the court, and yet the trial court continues with the trial. Then such proceedings would be liable to be set aside by the High Court in exercise of its revisional jurisdiction. First stop. In this case, in view of the discussion above, it is clear that the provisions of Section 6 of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 are mandatory and not merely directory. Full stop. The investigation carried out in contravention of such provisions is therefore clearly illegal in violation of a statutory requirement. Full stop. The dismissal of the discharge application moved on behalf of the petitioner means that the trial would continue. Full stop. This cannot be permitted in view of the discussion above, full stop, because then the court would be turning a blind eye and a deaf ear to the illegality in investigation which has been brought to its notice at the earliest stage, full stop. However, it also does not mean that the petitioner is entitled to a discharge and the closure of the case against him, full stop, as pointed out in Mubarak Ali's case. Reinvestigation is to be ordered in the context of the provisions of Section 6A of the said Act, full stop, while the file is to be kept pending before special judge approval of the central government is to be sought for investigation, full stop. If approval is accorded, then the matter shall be re-investigated as per prescribed procedure, and the material gathered in such re-investigation shall be placed before the special judge for further proceedings in accordance with law, full stop. If the approval is not given by the central government, then the same shall be notified to the special judge, who shall then close the case. Para. Further submission is that a decision of this court enunciating a principle of law is applicable to all cases irrespective of its stage of pendency, as it is assumed that what is enunciated by this court is in fact the law from inception, full stop. There can be no prospective overruling unless expressly indicated in clear and positive terms, full stop. If the Constitution bench had any intentions of declaring that the same would be prospective in application, then the same should have been specifically and discreetly stated therein, full stop. Merely because the court takes time to decide the matter, or merely because the challenge to statutory provisions is made subsequently, it would not make an unconstitutional statutory provision legal or constitutional, even if such provision has operated for the some time till it is struck down by the court, full stop. Such a violation is void ab initio, as settled by a large number of decisions of this court, full stop. It is only rarely that in some cases, in order to obviate the hardships and on equitable grounds, this court had protected an action taken under an unconstitutional statute, full stop. However, that does not mean that the statute was not unconstitutional or valid during the period it was on the statute book. Stop.